Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 18, Arabic alphabet. In this video we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with that Arabic alphabet. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Are you remember this word? This is cough. This is cough. Okay, now read it with vowel signs. قاف فتحة قا, قاف دمى قو, قاف كسرة قي. Okay, now read it together. قا, ku, ki. قا, ku, ki. Now we will read the Arabic words that start with the Arabic alphabet قاف. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one. صديق, friend. Let's repeat. صديق, friend. Okay, the next one. قمح, wheat. Let's repeat. قمح, wheat. Okay, the next one. قلم, pen. Let's repeat. قلم, pen. Okay, the next one. قبر, grave. Let's repeat. قبر, grave. Okay, the next one. نقود, cash money. Let's repeat. نقود, cash money. Okay, the next one. قطار, train. Let's repeat. قطار, train. Okay, the next one. قفل, lock. Let's repeat. قفل, lock. Okay, the next one. قصة, story. Let's repeat. قصة, story. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. وداء أراك قريبا. Goodbye. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.